अस्सलामुअलैकुम माय राइजिंग स्टार्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे। आज की वीडियो में सीखने वाले हैं हम शेप्स नेम्स विच इज़ कॉल्ड इन उर्दू अशकालों के नाम, और साथ हम इन सब को रिपीट भी करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सर्कल, स्क्वायर, ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल, ओवल, पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, octagon, star, heart, diamond, crescent, rhombus, trapezoid, parallelogram, ellipse, cube, cylinder, sphere, and cone. Let's repeat all of them. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, star, heart, diamond, crescent, rhombus, trapezoid, parallelogram, ellipse, cube, cylinder, sphere, and cone. Well done, lovely kids. Let's go further for the names. Pyramid, prism, kite, cross, clover, semicircle, arrow, rhomboid, torus, quatrefoil, annulus, sector, heptagon, decagon, and tesseract. Let's repeat all of them. Pyramid, prism, kite, cross, clover, semicircle, arrow, rhomboid, torus, quatrefoil, annulus, sector, heptagon, decagon, and tesseract. Well done, lovely kids. Let's go further. Tetrahedron, dodecahedron, icosahedron, trapezium, lozenge, tricontahedron, hexadecagon, nonagon, Star of David, and infinity symbol. Let's repeat all of them. Tetrahedron, dodecahedron, icosahedron, trapezium, lozenge, tricontahedron, hexadecagon, nonagon, Star of David, and infinity symbol. So let's repeat from 1 to 50. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, star, heart, diamond, crescent, rhombus, trapezoid, parallelogram, ellipse, cube, cylinder, sphere, cone, pyramid, prism, kite, arrowhead, cross, clover, semicircle, arrow, oval, rhomboid, torus, quatrefoil, annulus, sector, heptagon, decagon, tesseract, tetrahedron, dodecahedron, icosahedron, trapezium, lozenge, tricontrahedron, hexadocagon, nonagon, Star of David, and infinity symbols. These were our today's shapes names. I hope you will repeat all of them and try to memorize it. We will meet in next video. Khuda Hafiz.